The future of luxury SUVs is officially here, and this is the all-new 2026 Cadillac LYRIQ Signature Sport. Welcome back, guys, to the Ocean Cadillac YouTube channel, and for today's video, like I said in the intro, we are going over this LYRIQ Signature Sport. We're going to be focusing on all the main features of this vehicle, exterior, interior, and all the good stuff. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Right away, this thing looks expensive. Cadillac absolutely nailed the design. Up front, you get the illuminated black crystal grille, sleek vertical LED lighting, and one of the cleanest EV profiles on the road. And these massive 22-inch dynamic split-spoke wheels give the Signature Sport a way more aggressive stance than the standard trims. But where this SUV really stands out is the technology. Inside, the first thing that you notice is the massive 33-inch curved LED display stretching across the dashboard. Looks futuristic, but it also super sharp and responsive. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google built-in, navigation, and a fully customizable driver display, all integrated into one screen. And the sound system, unreal. The Signature Sport comes with a 23-speaker AKG studio audio system with surround sound. This cabin honestly feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. Now let's talk comfort features, because Cadillac loaded this thing up. You get heated and ventilated front seats, massaging sheets, heated rear seats, tri-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and a premier Napa leather throughout the entire cabin. Even the wood trim has a laser-etched lighting built into it, which looks incredible at night. And then there's a panoramic sky glass roof that completely opens up the interior. It gives the cabin this bright, ultra-modern feel that makes the LYRIQ feel way bigger than it already is. When it comes to performance, this thing is smooth. The dual motor all-wheel drive setup is available, and because it's electric, power delivery is instant. No lag, no shifting, just effortless acceleration. Cadillac says the LYRIQ can deliver over 300 miles of range depending on configuration, which makes it practical for daily driving and road trips. Safety tech is also stacked. You've got adaptive cruise control, automatic parking assist, HD surround vision cameras, blind zone steering assist, rear cross-traffic braking, emergency braking, and driver attention assist, all built into one. Overall, the 2026 LYRIQ Signature Sport feels like Cadillac stepping fully into the future. It's luxurious, insanely tech-focused, quiet, fast, and honestly one of the best looking electric SUVs out right now. We want to know what you guys think of the Cadillac LYRIQ Signature Sport, so let us know down in the comments below if you would drive this vehicle and your honest thoughts on it. We want to thank you guys again for watching the video and checking out our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can see our weekly posts, and also make sure you guys go check out our Instagram. We post there on the daily, all the time, so you never want to miss a thing. So go ahead and click that follow button. This 2026 Cadillac LYRIQ Signature Sport is available now at our dealership. If you are interested in this one or any of the other ones that we do have, you can either give us a call, visit our dealership in person, or you can also visit our website to see all the features on it. We want to thank you guys again for watching the YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.